Good day, everyone. The topic for today is exponents. So we're going to do the exponential equations where we are solving for x. So the first problem is x squared is equal to 2 squared. So that one we have to look at the two things, whether x is our base or x is our exponent. So in this case, our x is the base, so it means the exponent should be the same. And if you look at the problem, they are already the same there. So we can just equate the bases. So we will say x is equal to 2. So that will be the answer. So moving on to problem number 2. Number 2, we are having 3x. 3 to the power of x, so to say, is equal to 3 cubed. So now our x is the base, sorry, is the exponent, but then you can see that the bases are the same. So since the bases are the same, we need to equate the exponents. So we will say x is equal to 3. That will be the answer there. Right, problem number 3. Now on problem number 3, problem number 3 is not the same as the first one and the second one. This one is different. The bases are not the same, the exponents are not the same. Okay, so but then we can just play around with those numbers and make them the same, make something look the same there. Right, so first of all, we need to change that 4, we write it in exponential form. So we will have 2 to the power of, so we will have 2 squared. 2 squared will give us 4, and then we already have that x there as our exponent. So that x will multiply with the 2 to give us what? 2x. Okay, so that is equal to 8. Now this 8 we can change it and write it in exponential form, so that will be 2 to the power of 3. Now the bases are the same, it's something that we already know. Now we need to equate the exponent. The exponents are 2x is equal to 3, so we equated the exponent there. So since we are solving for x, we need to divide the left hand side and the right hand side by 2, so that we are left with x. Now x is equal to 3 over 2. Moving on to the next problem. We are having 3 to the power of x is equal to 27 to the power of x plus 2. So we need to make the basis being the same here, because we can see that the exponents x is our exponents there. So we will say we will say 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 3, because 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27. Open bracket, we already have what? X plus 2, close bracket there. Now the bases are the same, we equated the exponent, so we'll say x is equal to 3, open bracket, x plus 2. Now we remove the bracket, so we'll say x is equal to 3x plus 6. Now we need to transpose. We take 3x to the left hand side of the equation, so we will say x minus 3x is equal to 6. So now this will give me minus 2x is equal to 6. Now we divide by negative 2. What do we do on the left, we must do it on the right. So negative 2 and negative 2, they cancel. X is equal to 6 over negative 2. So we know that will give us negative 3. And that is our answer there. All right. Thank you guys for your time. Take care.